Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by opening the Figma file and choosing the frame you want a link from. This gives you a clear starting point. Once selected, switch to the Prototype tab and drag the node handle from the element you want interactive to the target frame. That first drag creates the connection. Make sure layers are named and grouped logically so you can find targets quickly. This reduces mistakes and speeds up linking as you add more interactions. Next, focus on how the connection behaves. You set the trigger and animation to define the user's experience. For example, choose on click for buttons or while hover for previews. Then pick Smart Animate when you want smooth element motion between frames. Once done, adjust easing and duration so the motion feels natural, and use overlays for components like modals so they layer without navigating away. Make sure constraints are consistent so animations don't jump when screen sizes change. Finally, test the prototype in present mode and walk through every path as if you were a user. This reveals timing, overlap, and navigation issues. Fix awkward transitions by shortening delays or switching easing curves, and verify component variants maintain properties across frames. If something goes wrong, make sure you reselect the target frame, inspect layer order and hidden groups, and remove overlapping prototype links. That troubleshooting step usually finds the conflict and restores the.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.